Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my slime collection part 1, and these are going to be like my smaller slimes, so yeah, let's get started. There's going to be no edits. So, my first one is Thinking Aaron's Putty. This one's called Twilight, and it's mini hypercolor. So, this is basically, it's basically like just like stiff, hard putty, but it's like so stretchy. Oops. Yeah, it's tough and then it's really stretchy at the same time. It's really weird, and it can turn into like a nice light blue. So, yeah. My next slimes are in burp containers, but they are like the actual burps. This one, I overactivated it, and it's lavender, so it can be like putty. Yeah. And then this one is black, and it's like a black glossy slime. And I call it like my Black Widow slime. A little bit sticky, but yeah. Now my next slime, this one is like really sticky, but it's like a nice teal, like blue jiggly slime, and it's like so jiggly because it's so fluffy. This one is like pink with foam beads, and it's like in this really small container. This one's purple butter slime. It's just clay and hand lotion, and it's air dry. So, really nice and matte. I love it. So, now this one I call like cherry drizzle or cherry jello, whichever one. And it's like a clear base, and it's like so jiggly. That's why I wanted to call it either cherry drizzle or cherry jello, because jello's like usually very jiggly. Well, it is very jiggly. It's like fart putty because it makes like really fartish, like tooting noises. You know? My table has a bunch of paint on it. It's reversible. This one is called Blueberry Butter, and most of these are like homemade slimes. So, this one's a blue butter slime with blue foam beads, and it's like a light blue foam beads, and it's really nice. It's got like a very nice, soft, smooth texture. Sorry for the background noises. The next 4 are in like these circular containers that I got from the dollar store. And yeah, so I'm sorry, it's just wobbling everywhere. Okay. So this one is like a jiggly slime. It's like a nice turquoise jiggly slime. It's quite small, but it's like teal and glossy. This one I call Cotton Candy. It's got pink, blue, and white foam beads. It's really glossy and stretchy, but it's like thick and crackly and poppy, and it's like a really thick jiggly slime. And this one is called Mad Butter. It's a nice saturated foam butter slime that's red with red, orange, and yellow foam beads. This one's pink, and it's saturated with pink foam beads or foam balls. Foam balls, and it's like really saturated and satisfying because it's super crunchy, and it's also got fruit sprinkles in it. So my next 6 slimes are going to be in these containers that I also got from the dollar store. They're like squarish. So I'm just gonna like line it up here. So this one's a teal jiggly slime. A lot of my slimes are gonna be jiggly slimes because I like jiggly slimes. They're really cool. They're easy to make too. Yeah, that one's like nice turquoise. This one's brownie batter. It's a butter slime. Kind of like clay, basically, but it's slime. And yeah, it's kind of got a weird texture. This one's also a jiggly slime as well, and it's lavender. This one, oops, sorry. This one is a blue glossy slime. Take it out. It's like super glossy and stretchy. I don't have a ton of glitter slimes because I love glittery slimes, but honestly, I don't spend my money on that type of slime ingredient. I spend it on like essential oils and foam beads and butter, and clay. Not glitter, I don't know why. And like paint and food coloring and pigment, but I don't use my pigment because I don't have a lot of pigment. This one's like blubber, and it smells really good because like I put some shaving cream, and the shaving cream was I think it was, I forgot what brand it was exactly, but yeah. Now these last few slimes I have quite a lot of. They're like in these square containers that I also got from the dollar store. A lot of my containers I got from the dollar store, so yeah. Is that all my square ones? Wow. Okay. Well, that's not a lot. Well, these next few are mostly pink, but they are in these square ones. This one's a like kind of pinkish glossy slime. I don't really know how this is pink, but it's like kind of like a weird pink. So yeah, this one is like pink cloud slime, and it's really tiny with white foam beads. And yeah. This one's a nice turquoise cloud slime. It's really soft, squishy, and stretchy. Look at that. That is beautiful. I got a disease walking around through your neighborhood, spreading on me. Okay, so this one's my first cloud slime I've ever made. It's lavender, and it's got like foam beads and everything like that. So yeah, this one is a pink glitter glue actually, and it's clear and very pretty. I'm going to Poppy Cake's house today for a play date, and then we're going to my house for a sleepover, which I'm here right now. This one's really bad. It's like, I call it Area 51 Tinkerbell. It's dark green, and it's really hard with green foam beads, and it's lime scented as well. This one is my last one. I don't have a name for this one. It's like a kind of dried out pink butter slime because I left it out for like an hour when I went to the mall. So that's my small slime collection. I really hope you enjoy this video.